What is up and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Betty back at it again. You guys, these seats gotta go. Explain what's going on because I just saw something that I had not noticed before. These back seats gotta go, but they're not going completely. I'm just talking about the color. So we're gonna change the color on these because they are not that bad condition wise. As you can see, they're not that bad. They're probably just really dirty. They probably just really dirty overall. I'm gonna take all this out and then we're gonna dye it. Boom! We got some leather and vinyl recoloring balm, black Fortiva. Right here. This was from Amazon. I got it for like 30 bucks. Really good reviews on it. So we're gonna try it out, see how it works. Hopefully it works fantastic like I hope it works. But there is one issue that I just saw that I have not seen before. Why I don't know, but I've just never seen it before. So let me show you. Okay, so we are here in the car. I gotta get a wider lens because it's like not doing it anymore. But anyways, here is the issue that I literally just saw. Not even kidding. I had not seen this before ever since I've gotten the car. This side of this little padding thing is pretty bad. It's like it's done. Basically, like the top is like crusties, still padded, but this is all bad. This, on the other hand, this one is good, so we're good with that side. Anything else that I have not seen, as far as everything looks right now, everything is good. Oh, this, I mean, I guess this top part right here, there you go, look at that. No bueno. So we'll see. We'll probably just keep on working with that and we'll just leave it like that and it'll be whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these back seats and then we're gonna continue on to start to set this, clean them, and then we'll see where we go from there. Alright, quick pro tip. Why does it keep getting dark? Alright guys, quick pro tip. So let's say the seats are still on, and you know, just imagine they're still on, you know, they're right here, whatever. So there's this plastic piece, you're gonna wanna pop that off. There's these little guys right there. These guys just literally push back. Just push, 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 push. So they push back, and right here the seats will be hooked up to here. You push one at a time and then you pop off the seat and then you just grab it. I know I didn't show it, but you just grab it, and on this side it's just like in there, so you just pull it out this way, just like this way, and then you're good to go. Same on the other side, same thing. And then for these guys over here, these guys you just pull from the top and then the bottom, and it should come off pretty easy. So pro tip on how to do this. Let's continue on with the video. That is only if you have an E36, you guys. Remember, E36 coupe. Just saying. All right, so now that we're back with the seats, we're gonna go ahead and spray them down. This is just soapy water, nothing too crazy. We're gonna spray them down, wipe them down, and then we will continue on with the application. Let's get to it. All right, my peeps, so here is my final result. I spent a good while brushing this. In video it's like bad up and whatnot, but I spent a good while brushing this. It's still really dirty, and I don't want to hit it with some strong chemicals that'll damage the leather. But I scrubbed it as much as I could. I wiped it down as much as I could. There's dirt here probably from 1995 still, so it's really embedded in there, you know. But for right now, I'm gonna leave it like this. Let the sun dry it out. I'm gonna go do the other ones in the meantime, and then we'll hit it with the first little coat of that stuff, and we'll see how that lays down. Now to do the rest. All right, you guys, here is the stuff that we are gonna be using. Alright guys, so we had laid down our first coat of the black stuff, and I did it with two separate things. For this side, I use the paintbrush, and for this side, I use the little sponge that it comes with. Now, as you can tell, which side is better. You guys know which side is better. This side, obviously, by the looks of it. It just laid, it got more coverage and more ground. I don't know, it just laid better. I feel like the sponge soaks it up. So you kind of like, it kind of doesn't really lay it in there. It just soaks up more as you go. As with this one, it doesn't really suck it up, it spreads it out. So there's the first layer. This, ignore this middle part. This middle part, I really didn't add that much, so it's whatever. But yeah, you can definitely see the difference. This side is darker, lighter, and it has a more, like, you can see kind of, I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of has like a more consistent feel, or like, I don't know. You can see all the little swipe marks and stuff like this on this side. I don't know if you'll be able to see at the end product if you were to do it with that. As with this side, you don't really see that. You kind of do see the strokes, but you kind of just, it'll kind of go away as it gets darker, and you won't really be able to tell as much. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, let this dry, and then hit it with another coat. In the meantime, I'm gonna do the rest over there, the rest that are over there, and see how that works out. We ran out of the dye basically, and we didn't really get to everything. I still have those 2 pieces over there, so I ordered more. Basically, I don't know how I feel about it. It didn't come out too bad, honestly. Like, I just don't know how I feel about it. There's streaks. You can see some streaks. You can see at some parts where it's like shiny and some parts where it's not. I don't know if that's just like where it catches on better than where it's not catching on as good. This one is not completely done. I didn't even have enough to really get through all of it. This one's a little bit more done, but I was trying to spread it out as much as I could. Just wasn't doing it. So I ordered more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. Till then, I gotta wait till that stuff comes. But I mean, it's not coming out too bad where I'm like, ew, it looks ugly. It's coming out good so far. Not too bad, not too crazy. So for now, we're gonna pause it here, and then we'll get back at it tomorrow. All right, you guys, we got our second bottle. It's actually funny. The second bottle was bigger than the first bottle. Look at this. The first bottle was half the size of this. I don't know what happened. I just literally put buy again, and they sent me this one, so I'm assuming they sent me the wrong one the first time. This time, like, I had lots. I even have more in there to spare. But this is what it's looking like so far. They're just dirty because I'm right here by the grass, and the grass keeps getting on it. They're looking good. They're looking really mighty fine good. They're nice and black. Let me go ahead and put them back in the sun by the car. That way we could get ready to install them. All right, so here they are in the sun. Look at that. That looks good. You're not gonna tell me that do not look good. That looks phenomenal. Here's this one. Yes, I did that one because it's still going in regardless. I'm not gonna leave it out till I get it switched out. So we're leaving it there for now. But look, sheesh, that looks OEM as fuck. Now I did about like 5 coats, you guys. Tan, it's like really hard to really like mask it, you know. But I mean, it'll look good in the dark. It looks good to me. It looks good to me in person. It looks good to me. I don't know if, pro tip, I went ahead and used the big brush. I don't know if you guys remember the big brush. I did 2 coats with that big brush, really good in there. Now afterwards, I did start using the little yellow pads that it came with. I patted them. I patted it. I did it in sections. So let's say I did this section first, patting, and this. It kind of goes by quicker and better, and it's more organized instead of going like everywhere. And the padding just makes it look a lot better. And then for the final coat, I would get the little pad really good, like good amount of like balm in there, and just swipe it each section, swipe, and that just went a lot better. And then also with the big brush, I would really get in there so that way I don't have to use the little brush to really get in the crevices. I know there's gonna be a couple spots that I still need to get into with the little brush, but that will be for later. Like I said, let them sit. I'm gonna put them in the car, and then we'll go from there. Y'all ain't ready for the final lick. Y'all ain't ready. Bruh, those looking fire. Where'd you get those from? Out of an M3? They're looking fuego, amigo. Bro, These things are looking nice. I mean, they look good. They don't look too bad for like the job that I do, but they're looking good, you guys. Let me see if I can get in here because the sun ain't just, it ain't doing its justice. Looking good. Now we just gotta, I'm not gonna lie, it's not super sticky, but it's like, you could kind of like, you hear it? So it's a little sticky still. So they do say, like I said, add some leather conditioner so that way the stickiness can like disappear. It's not coming off onto my skin. Like, no, it's not like still wet. It's not like, no, like it's good. So this is good. It's really good. Now what else is left to do? Like literally this whole interior for this car is getting transformed to all black. It's gonna be an all black interior. I just feel like the tan ain't it. Sorry Germany, the tan ain't it. Or yeah, this just gotta go. It gotta go. The tan's gotta go. These are gonna go completely. This I still gotta see what I'm gonna do with this. This headliner is gonna be suede, Alcantara black suede. It's gonna look sick as fuck. It's just, this is gonna come out good, you guys. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. I promise. With that being said, you guys, that was me transforming the rear seats on my E36. They came out not too shabby. They came out pretty good. You guys, if you have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments down below. I will try to get back to you as much as I can. You saw the tips and tricks I gave out through the entire video. Try them out for yourself. Try your own stuff. Try your own techniques. Yours could come out just as good, but not better than mine. So yeah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, you guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.